My dear student friends, welcome to Kutti School. So we start with plus 1 plus 2 biology subject. So there are a lot of videos are available in YouTube, like for example, if you want to know about cell, there are a lot of animation videos are available. You have a lot of materials in YouTube so that you can learn the concepts very easily. But at the same time, if you see, once if you watch the video, you can learn the concepts. After some time, maybe it's very difficult for you to remember the concepts. So now we are introducing a new technique. Through that, you can remember all the subject topics as well as what are all the contents inside the topic, so that it will be very much useful to you to remember topic wise as well as what are all the contents available in each and every chapter. We plan to introduce imaginary character and we named it as Divya. She traveling along with us, and she will travel along with Divya, and we will try to explain each and every chapter with the activities of Divya. So we would like to bring the chapter as well as each and every lesson and the chapters as a story, so that what happens, it's kind of a memory mapping. So you can relate each and every topic with that activities of imaginary character. So what I try to bring to you to remember all those things through story you can remember all the chapters and create a link between each and every chapter. You can do a lot of revisions and you can remember the concepts for a longer period of time. So this is the way to remember the topics in each and every subject. Firstly, we would like to bring this concept in biology. So first we try to bring each and every chapter, a link between each and every chapter, what are all the chapter, and subsequently we would like to bring what are all the contents, how can we relate and remember those things through the character. So this is something like story. In that story, we are attaching the concepts whichever provided in the lesson, so that I hope it will be helpful for your NEET exam as well as to understand the subject, to revise the subject very well in the future. Thank you, and I request you to like, and you can share this video to your friends, your classmates, so that it will be helpful for them also. And I request you to provide comments. Together, all of us, we will try to improve the activities of the character, so that it will be a lot of helpful for the student community. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, welcome to Kutti School. So today we are going to see the first chapter in 11th biology, which is the living world. So in this chapter, we are going to remember all the topics and subtopics in an easy way. To remember the topics and subtopics, we are creating a character called Divya. So here she plays a variety of activities where we could remember all the topics and subtopics very easier. So in living world, there are 4 topics. They are, the first topic is what is living. And the second topic is diversities in living world. Diversity in living world. And the third topic is taxonomical categories. And the fourth one is taxonomical aids. So these are the 4 topics under living world. So they are what is living, diversity in living world, taxonomical categories and taxonomical aids. So we are going to remember the subtopics which comes under these topics. So we'll go to the subtopics of first topic. So the first topic is what is living. The subtopics under this topic are, so the first subtopic is reproduction, and the second topic is consciousness, and the third subtopic is growth, and the fourth subtopic is metabolism. So here metabolism will also comprise as cellular organization. Cellular organization. So all the cellular organization comes under metabolism. So to remember these subtopics, we are creating a character named Divya. So she is very cute and performing lots of activities. She helps us to remember these subtopics under the topic what is living. Actually this chapter fully plays around Divya only. So here Divya's friend Rita can give mobile or cell. So here this R represents reproduction and C represents consciousness and G represents growth and M or C represents metabolism or cellular organization. So this sentence helps us to form the subtopics under this topic. So we can easily remember the 4 subtopics of this topic. By remembering the sentence, Rita can give mobile or cell. So now we are going to the second topic, which is diversity in living world. So under this topic, there are 4 subtopics. They are, the first one is identification, and the second subtopic is classification, and the third subtopic is nomenclature, and the fourth subtopic is taxonomy. So these are subtopics under the topic diversity in living world. So we can remember these subtopics in a very easy manner using our character Divya. So here our character Divya helps us to remember these subtopics easier under the topic diversity in living world. So here Divya identified a class for no tax. So here I represents identification, C represents classification, N represents nomenclature, and T represents taxonomy. So by the sentence Divya identified a class for no tax. So by this sentence we can remember all the subtopics under this topic very easily. So under first topic Divya's friend Rita can give mobile or cell was a sentence. In the second topic, Divya identified a class for no tax. So these sentences help us to remember the subtopics very easily. So we'll go to the third topic, which is taxonomic categories. So the third topic is taxonomic categories. So under this topic there are 8 subtopics. So they are species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom, and division. So there are 8 subtopics under taxonomic categories. So here also we use an easy way to remember these subtopics under the topic taxonomic categories. So here the sentence is, Divya knows Sonia Gandhi family O.C. Pakidi. So this is a sentence Divya gives to us, which is Divya knows Sonia Gandhi family O.C. Pakidi. So with this sentence we can easily remember the subtopics under the topic taxonomic categories. So here S represents species, G genus, F family, and O order, C class, P phylum, K kingdom, D and division. D is division. So by this subtopics we can remember taxonomic categories easily. So first topic we saw Divya's friend Rita can give mobile or cell, and in the second topic Divya identified a class for no tax, and in this third topic Divya knows Sonia Gandhi family O.C. Pakidi. So now we will go to the fourth topic, which is taxonomical aids. So the fourth topic is taxonomical aids. So in this topic taxonomical aids there are 5 subtopics. They are the first subtopic is herbarium, and the second one is museum, the third one is key, and the fourth one is zoological parks, and the fifth one is botanical gardens. So these are the 5 subtopics which comes under taxonomical aids. So here also Divya gives us a sentence. So what Divya is doing here is she lost her museum key, which was found in zoology and botany book. So here Divya lost her museum key, which was found in zoology and botany book. So this is the sentence which Divya gives to us. So here, her represents herbarium, and museum, which is the same museum, and key is also the same, which was found in zoology. This zoo represents zoological parks, and botany represents botanical gardens. So this sentence helps us to remember all the subtopics under the topic taxonomical aids. So there are totally only 4 topics under the chapter The Living World, and we have seen all the subtopics under all the 4 topics. We are using character Divya. So to recall, in first topic, Divya's friend Rita can give mobile or cell, and in the second topic, Divya identified a class for no tax, and in the third topic, the sentence is Divya knows Sonia Gandhi family, OC Pakidi, and the fourth topic, the sentence is Divya lost her museum key, which was found in zoology and botany book. So these are the 4 sentences which help us to remember all the subtopics under the topic. By remembering all the subtopics, we can recall the concepts in that subtopics. So now we'll recall all the topics and subtopics using our 4 sentences. So under first topic, what is living, there are 4 subtopics: reproduction, consciousness, growth, and metabolism. To remember this, Divya's friend Rita can give mobile or cell. So this is our first topic. And second topic is diversity in living world. There are 4 subtopics in it. So here Divya identified a class for no tax. So we are linking the sentence with these subtopics. And the third topic is taxonomy categories. So in taxonomy categories, Divya knows Sonia Gandhi family, O, C, Pa, Ki, D. So these are the subtopics. And the fourth topic is taxonomical aids. So under taxonomical aids, there are 5 subtopics. Here the sentence is Divya lost her museum key in zoology botany book. So this is the sentence. So you can easily recall all the subtopics by using all the 4 sentences. So this comprises the whole chapter, The Living World. So in the next session, we'll be going in detail about each and every subtopics. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow our channel. Please like and add your comments. What are the doubts? And if you have any other easy way to remember all the subtopics with shortcuts, please leave that in comments. Thank you for watching.